Let's see how to insert different headers on different pages in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and let's say add some pages. Now let's go ahead and type in our header. Let's simply type in 1. And you'll see that the number 1 is reflected across the entire document and all the headers. However, let's say that we want to change the header on page 2 and page 3 different from page 1. So what we can do is first off, remove these pages. Now go back to the first page and click on layout. Now right here, click on breaks and click on section breaks next page. And what that will do is that it will create another section. And you'll see this right here. We have a header section 1 and a header section 2. Now for section 2, make sure that you click this link to previous to unlink it from section 1. Now you'll see that when you type in 1 on your first page, it won't be reflected on your second page. And that is how you can insert different headers on different pages in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.